They say, don't mix business with pleasure. But let's face it, business makes other pleasures possible. This is why I love to be in a place where I can juggle the two. Located in Blantyre along Grass Road, Shalom Palace is a place where you can work and relax. The place offers accommodation, conference center, restaurant with both local and international cuisines. And oh, did I hear wedding bells? Shalom Palace also has a garden for all weddings and other events. Visit Shalom Palace today and experience a home of hospitality and quality services.